Hi there, I just want to spend a couple of moments and talk about a feature from week 1 called Flash Fill. This is one of those features that sometimes it can be a little quirky until you get used to it, but once you are familiar with how it works, it actually can be a lifesaver because it makes data entry so much easier. So what I have in front of us is a spreadsheet I created with my family. I always use them as examples. Kind of set up the way it would be. So you'll see in the first column I have our names together, first and last. And then prior to this video, I inserted 2 columns to the right, one for the first name and one for the last name. So that's a key part of Flash Fill, is you have to insert columns, blank columns, so that when you start this process, Excel is able to fill effectively. So what I need to do is in column B, I need to break apart our names and I need to list our first names, and then in column C I need to break apart our names to just include our last names. So what I'm going to do with my cursor, or with B2 as the active cell, I'm going to start to type my first name. As soon as I finish typing, I'm going to press the Enter key, and then when I reach cell B3, I'm going to start to type my daughter's name. And you will see once I type the S, Excel has picked up on the pattern. So now it assumes that I want to break this apart, and I'm going to use the first word that appears in each of those cells. So all I'm going to do now is press the Enter key when I see that grade list, and it will put in the names. So now I'll just repeat that again for last names. So I'm going to click in cell C2. I'm going to type my last name, press the Enter key, and then I will start to type my daughter's last name, and you will see the grade guess that Excel is making. If that is in fact what you want, you press the Enter key, and now you have used Flash Fill.